Hi everyone, Captain Mark. Today I have the ABOX automatic vacuum sealer machine. This is the model V66. Fully automatic vacuum air sealing system for food saver with a built-in cutter and 10 bags it comes with. So looking around the box, it has a one-touch operation and LED progress display, a low noise and quick sealing, open and close lids automatically, compact, it's space saving, and overheat protection. So let's open this up and see what we got inside. I'm excited to open this up. I've been wanting to use this. Oh, got some vacuum bags so we can try it out, see how it is. So these bags, they're textured on one side I can see, and the other side is smooth. I believe they're like 4 mil bags thickness wise. So we'll pull this out of here. Oh, it's nice and compact. Set these over to the side. All right, instruction manual. I want to look at that real quick. Show us what we have. It's got some connector. There's the connectors for your different type of cans or canisters or so. And also it's got a screw in one too. So multiple tips for it. That's really nice. And it comes with an extension hose to plug on here. We'll see how that works in a second. Let's take the sealer out. Oh, I like this. This is nice. Very nice. Got a kind of a flat gray color to it with a little bit of chrome. On the bottom it comes with 4 pads to hold it in place. It is rated at 120 volts. Power consumption is 85 watts. The width is 280 millimeters, so that's not too wide. Well, first we have the stop button. The stop function is used when it's used with a normal vacuuming and sealing. It stops the operation. The second button is the function mode, which the vacuum function switches from green light for dry and red light indicates for wet. So an example, the dry, the green, is suitable for food without any moisture in it. And the red button is suitable for foods or goods which has a little bit of moisture, which is such as fish and raw meat. The next we have is the vacuum seal button, and this is the conventional mode, which is suitable for which you need a large suction force and a pump the vacuum tightly in the bag, such as cereal or anything strong that won't be crushed when you use it. The next one is the soft mode. Under this mode, which the lower vacuum degrees and smaller pumping from force compared to the normal vacuum, is suitable for such foods as bread and etc. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to seal up my New York strip steak and then apply some seasoning to this side and rub it in. And I already applied some to the other side, so it's in there pretty good, and I like to add a little bit of onions to that. And we take one of the bags that are already pre-cut and sealed on one end. So this is nice. This is what came with it. It's roughly 11 inches by 14 inches, I believe. So we're going to take it and take the steak and slide it in there gently, throwing it down towards the bottom like that. I like to take the rest of the seasoning and pour it in there. Push the button and it vacuum seals. Gives you a status of what's going on at the top. This is really nice. And when it's complete, it will open up. Really cool. Look at that. Nice. Perfect seal across. Nice vacuum on it. Hardly any of the liquid came up, but good solid vacuum to it. So I'm very happy with this. This is great. We'll set this off to the side. We're going to try some hamburger. Okay, and we hit the vacuum mode. And there we go. Works perfect. And again, you can see the green bar up at the top telling you the status of it. Opens up, has a nice seal across the top. Very good, very good. Nice and sealed. I like that. We'll put it off to the side with the steaks. And we have a nice green pepper. We're going to put it in one of our storage bags. Down towards the bottom. Slide it in there like so. Now we change it up to normal mode, dry mode. There's not much liquid's going to come out of there. We hit the vacuum seal. Now this will preserve my green pepper for a very long time. Wow, it really pulls it down into a vacuum. Amazing. That's powerful. Here we are, there's my green pepper. Lightly smashed, but not crushed. A great vacuum seal on it. Wow. Try it now. Sucks all the air out of that corn. Yeah, that's almost done. It's all ready for the freezer. Try putting my tomatoes in there and see how they work without smushing them. Keep them nice and fresh. Bag like this. Slide it in there until it hits. Now there should be soft mode. Try that and see what happens. Oh, sweet. Look at that. That's perfect. I love it. My tomatoes are preserved. That's great. Look at that. That's perfect. Didn't even damage them. Oh, I love this guy. This sealer's awesome. So I wanted to try one more thing, guys. I wanted to try how it works on a canister. And I'm going to try it out here to see how it holds down a vacuum on that. Now this is my Food Saver marinade dish. I'm going to plug one end into the vacuum sealer and I'm going to close up to where it says vacuum canister, and then this little guy sits right down in there. Over here we have canister vacuum external. I'm going to see if it'll pull it down. And what I'll show you is when I close it up, and then I'll remove all the hoses, and then I'll let you listen to the air come out of it. So if I want, I can close it right here, and it stopped. That's at the end of it. Now I'm going to show you, I'm going to let you listen to this when I release the air in here. See? That works great. So that's my review on the vacuum sealer by ABOX, the V66 fully automatic vacuum air sealer system. I'm going to be giving this a Captain Mark's 5-star review. It's lightweight, compact, seals your stuff up the first time with the automatic open and close door. Great little item, I love it. I purchased this on Amazon for $69.99, and I'll leave that link down below. I don't think you can go wrong with this vacuum sealer. At least the month that I've had it now, it's been working great. I've vacuum sealed just about everything I can think of, any kind of food to store it. So great little device. So if you think this information was useful, why don't you give me that thumbs up? And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And also, you know I got a lot more videos coming up, so why don't you hit the bell to the right? So this is Captain Mark saying, see you in the next video.